and her mousey. Olive and her mousey. Where'd Olive get to? She's over here and she's over here. Can I give her a treat?
No, we gave her a couple. Gotta eat her supper, Hannah. What do you think? Come on.
But
you're
she's
gonna
not
do that?
eating.
Yeah, because we gave her too much of the other.
I still like water so much. I really
You like Honey Hudson? Honey? Do you like Hudson? Or Honey?
Oh my gosh. Olive, come on. Come on, Ollie. Olive,
Okay, oh no.
come on.
Okay, last time.
She's deciding. Does she want to come up? Oh, come on, Olive. Come on. Come and get your mousey. Come and get mousey. Come get mousey.
Come back if I want anymore, okay?
Mousey's got like a big hole in
I'll
it.
come back in it if I want more.
Not good.
Now let's play a game.
Okay.
Which game?
Big hole in him.
Yeah, I'll pick a game.
I wish we had that fruit game. Fruit. What's it called?
Ninjas.
I wish Hannah would have downloaded it.
It's fruit what, huh?
Fruit Ninjas, but you can't download it because there's no Wi-Fi.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You have Wi-Fi?
Well, not here.
Did this game to play out humans?
Playing with Malik.
Yeah, a lot of them. Cookie jam. Oh, that was good.
Olive. It's always like that. Is that Fruits Ninja?
Yeah. I think it's later. Connect later. It says
Oh, your
later.
ball. Yeah, but I'm playing it.
Why is this coming up? Why the heck's that coming up?
Aww, she's,
What level are you?
People who use it.
aww. She's bringing people her little stuffy.
Show me how you play.
Olive,
You remember?
Oh, yeah, this one?
Stuffy?
Yeah, this
stuffy.
one. I don't play this one.
Oh, there she is. Okay, I got her up here. Okay, guys, I'll move you. I'll move you right now. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. She's here. You actually get a good look at her now.
Help us.
Come on. Come on.
29.
She's not a photogenic dog.
Salisbury moves 29.
She does not stay still.
8-7. How'd you do that, Mr. Man?
I don't know.
Stay still. Stay still. They want to see your cute, adorable face. Yeah.
Make it
Let them see your face.
27
Let them
moves.
see your face. Yeah. 10-month old. She's a Yorkie. A Shih Tzu Yorkie mix. Shih Tzu Yorkshire Terrier mix.
1140.
Look, and that's a
1,100.
She's such a cutie.
I know. No,
And she just loves to play.
You're doing good.
She's a teether.
You gotta get these
She loves
crispies.
biting people.
You got faster than that. You get close
This
to
is my
that.
aunt's dog. And I'm getting my dog on Sunday. Which I keep saying. Because I'm super excited.
Come on, kids.
It's close to the floor.
Is it good when it goes to the bottom?
Yeah. Goes to the bottom.
Probably do a video then too, so go check that out when it's uploaded.
I think you're typing.
My hand's totally getting washed. Yeah. It's kind of getting uncomfortable.
12:30.
That's a lot.
I'm trying to get these cakes. Um, three blues.
Oh my gosh, it's a cute. Okay, okay, Come here.
Oh,
Come here.
great.
Come here.
What's this? Okay.
Next step.
She's sitting on her toy. She didn't even know it.
Okay, that's our
You're not leaving again.
Where's your cake?
You're not leaving again. She's too squirmy, guys.
Come on.
My puppy will stay still, but she's a really squirmy puppy, and I love her. I love her. You cannot not love her.
Oh, you got something. 13, 20. That was yours, buddy.
You're such a sweetheart.
I had this for a long time.
She's like, what are you doing to me?
Thank you for
She's used to the camera, though, even though she doesn't like it because of Instagram. So she's used to the camera, even though she doesn't like it. She really does not like it. You'll probably see a picture that looks like...
16 more
You'll see a picture of her on there. And I will change it to her and Max once I'm able to. Because right now I'm not able to because they haven't met yet, obviously.
1500.
But when they do meet for the first time, I will put a picture of them both up.
I need to get one here on the side. Is this the whole thing?
Pick it up.
Because yours gets it on the sides and I can.
Stay here.
Just
Just a cutie, guys.
Oh, there's one. 15, 16.
One more, that'll be a lot. Right? One more, that'll be a lot.
She's not really a fan of the camera, but
Oh, 16,
But-
20. Look, it moved. 10 more moves.
I'm going to get my puppy
There's no
loose to the camera so he can be on video.
Side, side.
Don't bite me.
Oh, you're getting down.
But what if you have that much points?
10 more moves. Look. 10 more.
And does save a points?
Yeah, 16, 10.
Does that save a points?
She's a cutie.
Oh, look at 10.
Does it save a points every time?
Yeah,
So it can get more every time?
yeah. 17, 10.
Oh, points, so nice.
She's whining a little bit. What is it?
What's
wrong?
We're trying to get rid of these. We're going to fail. We're going to get these.
Oh,
That sucker's going to
yours are sticking up. She's happy. And she has a birthmark. Not a birthmark, but like, it's like white on her back. Which she doesn't have on any other parts of her body. Which is super funny. Come here. Come here. I'm showing you my plate. Which is white on her back. Which doesn't have it anywhere else. Like just a couple strands of
I don't know.
white. It doesn't have white anywhere else on her body. I find that really interesting. And it's so cute. And it's so, oh my goodness. She's just squirming all over right now. Oh my goodness. And she won't get any bigger than this probably. They're like a full grown size. Oh my goodness, Olive. Why are you squirmy today?
They're all over.
Squirmy. She's always so squirmy.
I think we're going to...
And she's actually staying quite calm today. She's usually not this calm. Like when I enter my Instagram photos, they're not as simple as they seem. It takes forever to get a decent Instagram photo. Yeah. So
6 more moves.
You're good.
What, you playing the piano? No coffee, honey, for God's sake.
Fly into the sky.
Sorry, chicken.
Aw.
Wanna try it? Oh, keep playing. 6 more on the chicken paper. Because your nose has boogers in it.
No, I lost her. I lost her. Olive. Olive. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Oh, she wants to come back for the little last bit of the video. I don't think so. But that wraps up this video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.